Hey kids, thanks for tuning in to Watch and Win, the show where you learn, have fun, and win amazing prizes.
I'm Lauren.
And I'm Achilia Smith. In today's episode, we'll meet amazing young people, try exciting challenges, and discover fun ways to take care of our bodies by being a healthy hero.
Being healthy does not mean doing the same thing every day. It means dancing, swimming, playing games, or just trying new things.
But being healthy is not just about staying active. It also involves caring for your body both on the outside and the inside by eating proper foods.
That's right. So, get ready, healthy heroes, because today we're diving into action. Welcome back to Watch and Win. Today, we're with Zuri Robinson, a young Jamaican who knows what it means to stay focused, strong, and active. She is making waves in the pool. Let's take a peek into the life of Zuri. Zuri, when did you start swimming?
I started swimming when I was 2 years old.
That's a pretty young age. So, what do you love the most about it?
I like when I go in the water and I do the strokes, especially freestyle.
How do you warm up before you start swimming?
So first we do our outside stretches like push-ups and planks and arm swings, and then we go in the pool and do 100-meter warm-ups and 200 meters and all of that.
How often do you train?
I train almost every day a week.
What do you eat before you swim?
I eat yam and dumplings, and I also eat chicken and fish.
Do you have a healthy snack you like to eat after training?
I have 3, which is green grapes, apples, and watermelon.
What is your proudest moment as a swimmer?
When I first broke the record for the first time in my 8th category and making the national team for the first time.
That's amazing. Well, thank you so much, Zuri, for being here today. Hey healthy heroes, welcome back to Primetime Kids, where the biggest stories are made just for you. I'm your host Lauren. Let's check out today's top stories. Today's top story: big things were happening at the 72nd Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show in Clarendon, Jamaica. Farmers all across the island came together to showcase the best of what Jamaica has to offer, from fresh fruit and vegetables to animals and new farming technology. There were exciting competitions, including the National Farm Queen pageant that was won by Capriska from St. Thomas.
When I tell you this queen is tenacious, when I tell you this queen is brilliant, she is hands-on, she is beautiful, and she is going to be your next agricultural ambassador for 2026, the Diamond Jubilee year. Are you ready to know who will be the next National Farm Queen? Make some noise if you're ready to hear the National Farm Queen. The people have spoken. The judges have spoken. And the Diamond Jubilee Queen, the National Farm Queen of 2026, is none other than DJ, when my drum roll there now, work with me. Miss St. Thomas, Capri Scott.
give it to.
The crown goes to St. Thomas. Sponsored by Surge, of course, straight out of St. Thomas. Proud Sorrel farmer. Proud student of the College of Agriculture, Science and Education.
From juicy fruits to tasty local dishes, Denbigh showed us that eating healthy can also be delicious. In other news, health officials in Jamaica are reminding everyone to stay safe in the heat. With temperatures rising, doctors are warning about dehydration. Health teams in places like Westmoreland are encouraging people to drink more water and stay cool during the day. So kids, quick question. Have you had any water today? If not, this is your reminder to grab a glass of water right now. And finally, the Special Olympics Caribbean Beach Games are coming to Jamaica. That's right, from November 18 to 22, 2026, athletes all across the Caribbean will be heading to Montego Bay. The games will be held right on the sand at Harmony Beach Park and is going to be action-packed. This is more than just a sports event. It's all about inclusion, teamwork, and showing that everyone deserves a chance to shine. There will even be health checks for athletes and fun activities for families too. That's it for the news. I'm Lauren. See you next time.
Did you know there are so many ways we can keep healthy? Here are a few questions. Do you know the answers? Why do we need to drink water every day? What happens when we wash our hands the right way? Why do we need to eat our vegetables? Stay tuned. Watch and win. We'll be right back.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Watch and Win Science Corner. Today, Cameron is with me to show us his cool science experiment. Hi Cameron, so can you tell us what we will be doing today?
We're gonna do an experiment called the balloon blow up.
Okay, so what will we need?
We need vinegar, a funnel and a bottle, red food coloring, baking soda, and a balloon.
Okay, let's go.
So, you hold this. Okay. There.
So we add the food coloring now?
Yeah.
I've never worked with food coloring my entire life, anyways. Alright.
Okay.
That looks so cool.
Now, hold the balloon, open it so you can put the funnel in. Okay, good. Now,
So what are we adding now?
baking soda.
The baking soda, okay.
You want 2 more spoons. Okay, 1.
Okay, what do we do now?
Now we take this out and then make sure it hangs off. Don't
Okay.
Ready? 3,
3, 2, 1. Whoa. This is such a cool experiment. Thank you for being with us today, Carmen.
Thanks for having me.
We will be right back with a lot more Watch and Win. Hey healthy heroes, welcome back to Watch and Win. Did you know you might already be living a healthy lifestyle and not even realize it?
Yep, you don't have to be in a gym or eating salad all day to be healthy. Sometimes it's the little things you do every day that make a big difference.
So, here are some things we do in our everyday lives that actively contribute to a healthy lifestyle.
Have you ever walked to school, played outside, or danced to your favorite song?
That's exercise. You're keeping your body active without even trying.
What about when you feel thirsty and grab a glass of water?
That helps your body stay cool, refreshed, and full of energy. But sleep helps your body grow strong and get ready for the next day.
Quick question, have you done any of these today?
If you said yes, you're already a healthy hero.
So keep moving, keep smiling, and keep being a healthy hero.
Being healthy is something we're always encouraged to do. But how can we be healthy? It all starts with creating healthy habits. Healthy habits can make you feel stronger and happier. Think of your body and mind like a car. A car needs good quality fuel to run well. You can't put in soft drink and expect it to run smoothly, can you? Just like a car, you need to fuel your body and mind with really good, nourishing foods, thoughts, and actions that will make it function well. But what's a habit? A habit is created when you do something repeatedly until it becomes natural. Having healthy habits can help you to feel strong, create good relationships with people around you, help you concentrate better in class, and give you the daily boost you need to do all the things you love. One of the most important healthy habits to have is healthy eating. Healthy eating is all about feeding your body fresh and nutritious foods. This should include colourful vegetables, fruits and nuts, grains, legumes, dairy, and lean meats and fish. Even though all these foods are good for us, there are still some that we should eat lots of, and some we should limit. We should eat lots of vegetables, legumes, and grains. But we should eat lean meats, dairy, and fruits and nuts in moderate amounts, which means not heaps and heaps. There are some foods that should only be a sometimes treat because they're not very good for us and have very little nutritional value, like sugary or fatty foods and drinks. And of course, we should drink plenty of water every single day. When you combine healthy foods with physical activity, it will help you to feel healthy. Did you know children your age should be active for at least 60 minutes a day? Another healthy habit is getting lots of sleep. Sleep allows us to restore, repair, and rebuild all of the things in our body, including our brain. Make sure you're getting 10 hours of sleep a night, and you'll find yourself feeling fresh and ready to make the most out of every day. Here are 4 ways you can build healthy habits. Eat the fruit and vegetable rainbow. Even though you may not be in charge of the grocery shopping, you can always make your own healthy choices. Maybe you could choose to drink water instead of a soft drink or juice when you feel thirsty. Buy a piece of fruit instead of sweets from the canteen. Or have some salad with dinner. Simple choices like that can make a huge difference to your health. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables that are full of different colors is super important because they all help your body in different ways. So, try and have as many colors as you can every day. Sleep well. Nothing should interfere with your sleep. Not even your homework should keep you up longer than you need to be. So, make sure you plan your time well so you can complete it before bed. Try to keep a good bedtime routine. Going to bed at the same time each night is great for your body and can make going to sleep easier. Keep any phones, tablets, and other devices out of your bedroom when it's bedtime. Make your bedroom a place that feels relaxing to you. This means it should be comfortable, quiet, and dark when it's time to sleep. Get active. It doesn't require you to change your entire day. In fact, it's really easy and you might not even realize you're doing it. Playing at lunchtime, school sports, riding your bike, or even going for a swim are all examples of exercise that can make up your 60 minutes. If you can minimize the time you spend in front of a screen, you might find yourself spending more time with your friends and moving around. Last but not least, find a balance. Going to extremes, whether it's with your diet, exercise, or sleep, isn't necessary. You can enjoy a bit of everything. So, find a healthy balance of sleep, play, food, water, school, and social time. When you combine healthy eating, physical activity, plenty of sleep, and lots of water, you will have the power and energy to be your best. Plus, you'll discover that as you get older, you'll need these healthy habits because they're important no matter how old you are. So, why not start now?
Hey kids, what an adventure we've had today!
Today we stayed active, creative, and learned how to be healthy every day.
That's right. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just make small, smart choices that help your body and your mind.
Thank you for joining us on today's Healthy Years adventure.
We hope you learned something new, had some fun, and are ready to take on your own healthy challenge.
I'm Achilia.
And I'm Lauren. Keep moving, keep learning, and keep being a healthy hero. Bye.
Bye.